Hey guys, it's Casey here from Airsoft Guns to Air Force One, and I'll be showing you the test shooting of the m43181. I showed you the video about it last night, the critics and the criticizes. But today I'm showing you how it shoots. Let's get to it. Today I'm showing you how it shoots. It's a pretty loud gun, but if you see the bag on your screen, located on your screen in my backyard, you'll probably see what I mean. Let's fire this bad boy up. Right now, I'm going on the semi from about 20 feet away. I'm going on auto from about 30 feet away. Now I'm going on semi from 20 feet away. Now I'm going full auto from about 50 feet away. Now it is a high-powered gun, so anytime you're shooting this, please be aware that if you're in a battle, crank it more than you have to. This was just a test shoot, so I did not crank it as much as I had to. Full semi. It's full semi. And most people think the semi goes 3 shots at a time. It does not on this gun. I'm just almost done on this clip, but if you're going to a battle, you would want to bring more than one clip. So it's cranky it, right? Going in the crouch position now. I'm about 20 feet away on semi. I'm going army crawl. Also, I'm in army crawl right now. Going on auto and army crawl. Now these are one of the guns I would say not to get down and dirty with, because it is not a sturdy gun that much. Like the base is all sturdy, but the handle is pretty sturdy. It's just the back, like the thing. So if someone sneak attacks you, you would want to go to the back and hit you in the face with it, but it would break automatically and you'd be without a stock unless you bought an extra one. Are we out yet? I think we're out, guys. Just double check. Yep, we're all out. Okay. That was my test run of the m43181. You guys can subscribe or do whatever you want to this gun. Just like the video. Bye.